The West Nile virus continues to spread across the nation. A second person has now died in Michigan from the illness. It's been an unusual season for the mosquito-borne virus. Texas has seen the most cases, but leaders there are hopeful about what's going to be happening next.
I think we are beginning to get it under control, but it has been a nightmare, really.
About 40 people have died there. 1,100 others have been sick. Typically, fewer than 300 cases of West Nile are reported by mid-August. And according to data from the Centers for Disease Control, every state in the lower 48 has some sort of West Nile virus activity. Each mark on the map shows either a human case or a presumed positive blood screening of the infection, so you can see the clusters there. The disease is found in birds like crows and ravens, but one Wisconsin expert says that a more popular bird can sometimes be a super spreader. Fox 11's Bill Miston takes a closer look for us.
West Nile virus is found in birds like ravens or crows.
Dead crows are a good sentinel of West Nile virus infection. But crows are so susceptible, and they often die so quickly from the infection.
It's that fact that has a University of Wisconsin-Madison infectious disease researcher looking at another feathered friend in the Midwest, the American robin. Goldberg says the genetic testing of the blood meal of captured mosquitoes shows a large presence of American robin DNA. With the bird's prevalence throughout the Midwest, Goldberg says the robin is likely the primary carrier of the disease, not ravens, crows, or blue jays.
Robins in particular are able to sustain the infection for long enough that they can transmit it on to another mosquito, and they also happen to be very abundant, and the mosquitoes appear to feed on them preferentially.
So how might you come down with West Nile virus? Well, it depends on the type of mosquito. If you're sitting outside during the day and you're being bit, you don't have to worry about those that much. Those are known as floodwater mosquitoes and can't carry the virus, but it's the ones that come out in the early mornings or at night that you have to watch out for.
People often think that if they're getting attacked by these floodwater mosquitoes, then they're at risk for West Nile virus. Well, actually, these Culex pipiens mosquitoes, they breed in stagnant water, so they like it when it's hot and dry.
Conditions Goldberg says the Midwest has been dealing with all summer. Goldberg and the Brown County Health Department say the best way to combat the disease is to start in your own backyard. That means cleaning out gutters, getting rid of standing water in places like kiddie pools or bird baths.
Looking at breeding grounds for mosquitoes, reducing the standing water in their yard, cutting down vegetation that can attract mosquitoes. So there are things that people can do to also reduce their risk.
That also means covering up with long sleeves and using bug repellent with DEET in it when possible. In Green Bay, Bill Miston, Fox 11 News.
Now you can take a look at an interactive map of West Nile cases throughout the United States on our website, fox11online.com. You're going to find that in the news links section on our homepage. Now this feature also includes a question and answer about the virus and how to prevent it.